Good morning children, welcome back to Google Classroom supported by Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. This is our mathematics period and we deal the chapter practical geometry. Today we can do the bisector of an angle. Let us watch the video and practice today itself. Okay. Next topic is bisector of an angle. Now we draw a copy of the given angle. Next one is bisector of an angle. You have learned what is bisector. Bisector is the line segment which divides the given line or angle into two equal parts. So here bisector of an angle means that line should be divide the given angle into two equal parts. Okay. With ruler and compass, it is very important we construct bisector of an angle using ruler and compass. Okay, this is the angle AOB to which we are going to construct a bisector. Okay, we have to divide this angle into two equal parts. That's our aim. We are going to divide this angle into two equal parts. Okay. Here also first we will draw an arc. This OS center and with convenient radius we will draw an arc. Okay, arc here P and Q. Any letter you can give, no problem. Here I put P and Q. Next one, take more than half of this arc length on compass and draw arc here. From P as center, draw arc with the same radius. From Q also we will draw arc. Okay, with the same center, Q as center also we will draw arc. Then meeting point of this arc, let it be R. Then join O and R. Join O and R. Join O and R. Okay. Join O and R. Now these two angles are QOR and POR are equal. POR, one angle here, and QOR are with the same measurement. Understood? So this symbol implies that the same symbol implies that these two angles are equal. That you will learn in higher class. Okay, this is the way to draw bisector to a given angle. Okay. One more construction we can do as the bisector of the angle. Suppose this is the angle to which we are going to draw the bisector, to which we are going to construct the bisector. What was the first step? With the convenient radius and A as center, we will draw an arc. Next step, we will mark these 2 points B, C. Any letter you can give. Next step, take more than half of this arc length on compass and draw in the interior of the angle A. Here in the interior of the angle A, that is very important. In the interior of the angle A, draw another arc from B and C with the same radius. Okay, then mark this meeting point with the letter D. Then join A and D. Very simple. Then join A and D. Join A and D, then draw. So these two angles will be equal. This angle and this angle will be equal. That means angle COD. First angle CAD equal to angle BAD. Understood? CAD. First angle, second angle BAD or DAB. Anyway, you can write these two angles are equal. Okay, so AD is the bisector of the given angle. Which is the bisector here? AD is the bisector. Line segment AD is the bisector of angle A. So we can write AD is the bisector of angle A. Okay. We can do one question from exercise 14.6. Draw angle POQ measures 75 degree and find its line of symmetry. Line of symmetry, I told it is another word for bisector. Line of symmetry is also known as bisector, or bisector is also known as line of symmetry. Okay, so we have to draw bisector of the given angle POQ with measure 75 degree. Understood? First we can construct an angle of 75 degree with protractor. That you can do with protractor. Okay, first POQ, that means O is the middle letter, so its vertex should be O. Understood? Angle POQ is the question. Angle POQ is in the question, so O is the middle letter, so we want to make mark here O and here Q. Then using protractor we can draw 75 degree. Here the center of the protractor we will put like this, 0 edge on the line OQ, and mark 75 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 75. 75 is here in between 70 and 80. You can see a middle line, so that point is 75. Okay, so we can join this point using ruler. So this is the angle of 75 degree. This is the angle of 75 degree. Then this letter should be P. Okay, this letter should be P. Now this angle POQ is equal to 75 degree. Next we are going to construct its bisector or line of symmetry. How we will construct? Which tool we have to use now? Compass. Is it? Next we will draw an arc of convenient radius. Okay, any radius you can take, but it should be in the interior of the given angle. This is the exterior, that means outer part, and this is the inner part. It is known as interior. Interior, exterior on the angle. These words we have learned in the previous chapter. From this point, cutting point, this arc cuts on this line OQ, and again from the line OP, from this point, this is the intersecting point, from this point also with the same radius we will draw arc. Next step, this meeting point we will join to the vertex of the given angle. Okay, now this is the bisector. We can give a letter OS. So OS is the bisector. Understood? OS is the bisector of the angle POQ. Okay, this is the way to draw a bisector.